At the frozen edge of the Arctic, a silent hunter waits for a chance that may never come. In this frozen world, every missed hunt drains strength, and hunger grows stronger with every passing hour. Seals are no longer easy to find, forcing this bear to hunt something far more difficult and unpredictable. Below the surface moves a narwhal, fast, alert, and almost never exposed for long enough to be caught. Unlike seals, narwhals live in deep water, where speed and depth give them a powerful advantage. Every failed attempt drains energy, and here, losing energy can mean the difference between life and death. So the bear waits, completely still, relying on patience instead of strength to outlast its elusive prey. Minutes stretch into hours, and in this frozen silence, patience becomes the most powerful weapon the bear has. Narwhals must surface to breathe, and in that brief moment, the bear has its only chance to strike. The bear studies the ice, the water, and the currents, reading signs that reveal where the narwhal might surface. A small ripple breaks the surface, a quiet signal that something is rising from the dark below. The bear holds back, resisting the urge to strike too early, knowing that one mistake will ruin everything. The narwhal surfaces for a single breath, just seconds above water before it must dive again. In a split second, the bear unleashes all its stored power, striking with precision at exactly the right moment. But the narwhal reacts instantly, diving deep into the dark water before the bear can reach its target. The strike fails, and with it, valuable energy is lost in a place where every calorie matters. But the hunt is not over, and the bear returns to stillness, conserving what little strength it has left. Every movement now is guided by instinct, shaped by generations of survival in one of the harshest places on Earth. Another ripple appears, another chance in a place where opportunities are rare and never guaranteed. The bear adjusts its position carefully, making a small change that could decide the outcome of the next strike. Once more, the narwhal rises to breathe, and the bear commits everything to a final, perfectly timed strike. Whether the strike succeeds or fails, one truth remains clear. In the Arctic, survival is never guaranteed. This is the Arctic, where every hunt shapes survival, and only those who endure will live to try again.